learn here is the four different ways in which you can launch Excel. Okay. So the first and the most popular way is to press the window button. When you press the window button, you get to see all the applications which are there. So in the application, you go to the section where you find Excel or you will find Microsoft Office. Inside Office, you can find Excel. So I'm using Windows 11. So in my case, the Excel is appearing like that. So I can just click on Excel and that Excel is open. This is the first way. The second way is to press Window and R. Window and R opens the run dialog box. And in the dialog box, you can type in Excel and press enter. That will also open the Excel application. This is the second way. Now we are coming to the third way of opening Excel, and it is easiest way I can say. So you can right click on anywhere on the desktop and you can go to the new section. In the new, you will get to see Microsoft Excel worksheet. You click on it and a file will be created. When you double click on this file, a Excel application will be opened. So this is the third way. Now we are coming to the last and the easiest way to open Excel whenever you want to use Excel. So for that, you have to again press the window button and then you type in Excel. You will see that icon over here, this application. You right click on this and you select pin to taskbar. Do you see a pin like button over here? You click on it and what you see is on the taskbar, this is called as the taskbar. It has different icons and now you are seeing an Excel icon also. So in this video, you've learned how to launch Excel or open Excel application in four different ways. Now, you have to tell me which way you like the most in the comment section. You can type your comments and tell me which option did you like the most.